Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss about the management of the users, that how we can manage and update the detail of the users. So basically I have already in the admin portal in the user section, I'm in under the active user. In this active user I have selected any of the users. Okay, so for example, if I'm going to change the license and username of the user, anything else that I want in this section. So I have just click on the Lorage account. In the Lorage account, what I can do, I can reset the password. If I click on it, I will got the two option to reset the password. So automatically create password or required user to change their password when they first sign in. Okay, so this option that you can use it. Also, if your organization user has been left your organization, so what you can do, you can block their sign in, so they will not able to log in their account from another location. Also having a different another option to manage the user. So basically, if you want that user, you want to revoke the session of the current session of the user, we have the another option in the identity section. We will cover up in the later. So this option that you can use it, there is a deleted user. If you delete it from there, it will automatically redirect in the deleted user section and keep it as a 30 days. So before 30 days, you can restore the date is to restore the user, and data will be remain same. So if you want that user will you are going to restore the user after 30 days, that would not be possible. Okay, so this is the option that you can use it for managing the user. Also we have the multiple option in the user and email section, and alias. If you want to create a multiple alias of the user, so you can use it like I am using ABC and I want to add it as alias. Okay, so ABC is already there. Okay, so we have to put one at the end of the C, and okay, and save. So what they did, they will automatically add the alias in your mailbox, in your users alias section. Also what you can do, you can keep or you can change as a primary domain. Okay, so for example, if you want that journal is I want that this mail id as a alias, but I want that this is my primary mail id, uh, which is able to send the mail outside the organization or inside the organization. So you can set up as a primary. If you once you have click change the primary email id, it will automatically replace it to primary mailbox. Also you can see the last sign in sign out options, alternative email address you want to add it for the recovery, this thing where you can use it. You can manage the group, you can see the list of the group you have already added or it's already a part of it. So you can see the group and you can remove it and add it from here. Also if you want to assign the particular roles, the portal level of roles, so you can choose the admin center access and you can assign the role as per their requirement. Okay, so also what you can do, you have you want uh, add the manager of under this manager of the lorries, so you can add the manager as well. Contact information which help you to update the first name, last name and display name of the user, that end user will see the name of the user. So once, for example, if you have already connected with someone and you are sending a mail with your previous name and recently you have changed it, so that user will uh, got the previous name. Okay, so it will take around 48 hours to 72 hours to reflect it, fully reflect it. Also what you can do, you can as the you can manage the activation of the Microsoft 365 multi-factor authentication if you want to enable it. By default Microsoft provide a security default which is also a part of the MFA, but some of the user or some of the organization required the conditional access, or they want to remove the multi-factor authentication and assign it as per their convenient, so they can use it. So before enable or assign the MFA, they have to remove the security best practice option. They need to disable it. The device actions, or basically it will comes when you have connected your device with Intune license and app. Okay, so the license and app which is giving you the list of the license that you can assign to this user or you can remove it. So if I click the any assign the license, it will automatically increase the count of the user license from 20 to, okay, so if I assign it, it will be it convert into a zero because we don't have the much license. So if I click on it, I can remove it and assign to another user. In the mail sections, you will get the you will got the mailbox size, how much size you have available for the assigned bundle of the license. Also you can see the storage used in the mailbox. Okay, so okay, so in this we have to back to the Lores. Yeah, it's enabling. Okay, so in the mail sections, in the mailbox permission, which is helping you to giving the access of your mailbox to another user. That user will do some activities on the behalf of your behalf of yours. So these are the options that you can choose it to assign your mailbox access to other user. Email app, also you can use it to allow and manage the app, that which kind of permissions you need to enable for accessing the email. So if you want to disable the web option, you can uncheck it. If you want to allow for the desktop, Exchange web server, mailbox, IMAP pop, these option IMAP and pop is basically for as per the security reason Microsoft have disabled it. They incoming is okay, but outgoing is not possible to via IMAP and pop. So if you are migrating the data, that will help you to migrate it, but not possible to migrate it from Microsoft using IMAP and pop service. So auto reply, that you have uh, not available, that option will comes under the individual user section. They can assign through our Teams, they can assign through Outlook. But if for example you have your IT person need to be set up as some automatically reply option, that they can assign it. You once they have click it, turn on it, and they can add the body of the autos reply sections. Okay, so these things that you can use it. Also what you can do, you can manage the forwarding option, like if you want to enable a forwarding of your mailbox to another. So this option that you can use it, but this is available for the single user, and if you want a multiple user for it, so what you can do, you can add you need to do one thing. You have the mail flow rule and use that mail flow rule for forwarding the mailbox to another user. So for example, if you want to create a forwarding rule for particular user or particular end user, so that option, that mail flow rule can help you to create it. But sometime basically as per the Microsoft had disabled the forwarding from outside the organization. So before enabling or before doing this activity for external forwarding, you have to be enable that options from the security sections. Okay, so more action give you the more uh, activity to manage it. So convert your mailbox to shared mailbox, and you want to change some exchange property from the exchange server. Manage the litigation hold, basically it comes exchange online plan 2. So which exchange online plan 2 comes with the different license E3, E5, Office 365, E5, E3. Okay, so the litigation hold basically give you the access, or you can say they give you the more robust secure, more security. Like somebody has deleted your mailbox. Okay, you have deleted some mail IDs or mailbox from your port, your email outlook. So litigation hold used to revoke or remove, you can say the you can back up your data as per their original location, or they can download it and save send you into individually. The OneDrive section is basically give you the idea of the OneDrive, like how much storage I have used. If admin wants to access your OneDrive without you getting the username and password, they can create a link of your file, your OneDrive, and what they can do, they can open that link in a separate uh, tab, and it once it's enter, they can download the data from there. External sharing, if you need to manage the external sharing for this user, you need to allow it, or you don't want to allow it, so this option that you can use it. Data retention period, you can change the retention period. It's recently it's 30, basically we have changed it, but it's 30 days, but you can customize it up to 180. Even the storage space, you can increase it. If you have the E3, E5 license of Microsoft 365, yes, you can increase up to 5 TB. But if you have the less, you have a business license, so you are not able to increase from 1 TB. Okay, so but if you want it to increase the size, you have to purchase a license for it. So it will give you the space of the OneDrive, the extra space. Okay, so these thing will help you to manage the storage, manage the users activities and the details. So if anyone have a questions regarding this, they can comment me on the comment sections, and we will I hope I will answer your all queries. Thanks for the time. Have a good day.